Kangam retained their seats. BJP heavyweight states Chauba Y. Irapot and Ojoy lost to Congress candidates. 21 Congress candidates, including Deputy Speaker, 4 ministers and sitting MLAs, lose their seats. NPF Losi Diko gets the maximum number of votes to win the Mau seat. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangju with the top stories and latest news at this hour. The results of the 59th of 60-seat Manipur Assembly have been declared. The counting for Kakching seat is in progress. Till now, Congress has won 27 seats, BJP 21 and PP 4, NPF 4, LJP 1, AITC 1 and Independent 1. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi and Deputy Chief Minister Kai Khangam are among the prominent winners. Ibobi and Kai Khangam retained their Thaubal and Nungba seats respectively. This is the 4th consecutive win for both the Congress heavyweights. Speaker T.S. Lokeshwar also retained his Kudrakpam seat. Ministers Govindas Kontaujam, A.K. Mirabai, K.S.H. Biren, D. Korungthang and Mohammad Abdul Nasir also retained their seats. BJP heavyweights T.H. Chauba in Nambol, Y. Irabot in Wangkai and Okram Joy in Langthaba lost to Congress candidates. Prominent losers of the Congress party include former Minister T.H. Devendra, Ministers M. Okendro, Dr. K.H. Ratan Kumar, T. Manga Waifai, and I. Hemochandra. T.H. Devendra lost his Diribam seat to an independent candidate, while Okendro, Ratan Kumar, and Hemochandra lost to BJP candidates. Former Deputy Speaker Preso Simre lost his Chingai seat. The 15 MLAs and Congress candidates who lost the election are Dr. N.G. Bijoy, Mohammad Amin Shah, Karam Thamarjit, L. Nandakumar, Laisomi Bomcha, E. Chan, K.H. Devendro, K. Sharad, R.K. Anand, Dr. I. Bohalbi, E. Dujamani, M. Prithviraj, T. Mangibabu, Victor Keshing, and Zamanglung Panmai. NPF candidate in Mao constituency, Losi Dikho, got the maximum number of votes in the 11th Manipur Assembly elections. He polled 25,933 votes and defeated BJP candidate Woba Joram by 15,414 votes. Woba Joram polled 10,519 votes. Congress candidate R.K. Imo retained his Sagolban seat, defeating his BJP rival Dr. K.H. Loken by a margin of just 19 votes. R.K. Imo polled 9,211 votes, while Dr. Loken polled 9,192 votes. He scored the narrowest victory in the assembly elections. It's time for a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back to the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. BJP has won 6 seats in Imphal West District, which has 13 assembly constituencies. The Congress won 4 seats, NPP 2 and LJP 1 seat. NPP's L. Jantakumar defeats Congress candidate Laishomi Bomcha in Kaishamthong by 3,261 votes. In Sagolban, Congress MLA R.K. Imo defeated his BJP rival Dr. Khairapam Loken by a margin of 19 votes. In Mayang Imphal, Congress candidate Minister Dr. K.H. Ratan Kumar lost to his BJP rival Kongkham Robindro by a margin of 3,094 votes. Congress candidate in Singchamai, Minister I. Hemochandra, was defeated by BJP's Yumnam Khemchan by 1,834 votes. Congress candidate in Thangmaiban, Kumucham Joy Kishan, retained the seat, defeating BJP candidate Joytin Waikhom by 157 votes. BJP candidate H. Dingo defeated Congress MLA K.H. Devendra by 2,532 votes. In Uripok, NPP candidate Y. Joy Kumar defeated Congress MLA L. Nandakumar by 345 votes. In Lamsang, BJP candidate S. Rajan defeated Congress MLA T.H. Brajabidhu by 1,280 votes. In Konthojam, sitting Congress MLA Konthojam Sharad lost to BJP's Dr. S. Rajan by 2,772 votes. Minister A.K. Mirabai retained her Patsoi seat, beating NEIDP's S. Kunjikishore alias Geba by 114 votes. In Langthabal, LJP MLA Karam Shyam retained his seat, defeating BJP's Okram Joy by 2,331 votes. BJP's S. Subhash Chandra defeated Congress MLA R.K. Anand in Nauria Pakhang Lakpa by 1,615 votes. In Wangoi, Congress MLA Olukhoi defeated NPP's K.H. Loken by 36 votes.
Lokachamma kendri praja sangna aina tatna aina election campaign da haichaba hantaki election se kichamma kendra particularly kichamma kendra da dharma lani hadan haichaba do maduma number 1 ati factory yam gre yamna aina margin chawna phangbagi maramdi mamang da aina tabjarama mayam matam do da khudak da aina torme mayam do gi mayam na acknowledge da hudaba do hojik ta tapna khangbi rakba realize tawba adi loina Manipur da hojik chaliba political train se scenario se both BJP amasung INC da kitang elected oiba manma makli pot kar yaw ba haibatai aduna anu makli third party ma adu matu da thajaba lakpa dong tawba adigi duga loina karma party no haibatai target di regional akoi political party mai character su yaw the national political party mai character su yaw the character is combined tawba duga the whole focus was Manipur khaktana ta but the whole north east matule akoi praja singhi स्वार्थीदमक्तने हदना वाक तौब ngamba makli party ma thajaba lakpa hawbutong tawba na haijaba tai adu maram modana martin su yamna chawna kan tawbani ai samak martin su chawna phangne be thajade but mayam ge thajibiba mayam nuksibiba mayam aduna yam sengna hargidi ai kisamno kendi praja sing dharma bhajan tawbi atak bichar bhajan tawbi en hai bichai haijane national people's party represent tawra karak banina masih decision dudi madudi aina law chumna maleng kalem ramdi there are certain decorum party decorum by bam lai aduna
BJP has won 6 seats in Imphal East District, which has 10 constituencies. Congress has retained 4 seats. BJP candidate T.H. Bishwajit retained his Thongju seat, while Congress candidate Thongnautam Shyamkumar retained the Andhra seat. Congress heavyweight and sitting MLA Dr. N.G. Bijoy lost to BJP candidate L. Susindro in Kurai. BJP's Nahakpam Indrajit defeated Congress MLA Amin Shah in Khetrigao. In Kairao, BJP candidate Laurembam Rameshwar won the seat, beating Congress MLA Karam Thamarjit. BJP also won the Yai School seat. Thauchom Chettibatta defeated Congress MLA Elangbam Chan. Nongthombam Biren of BJP retained the Haingang seat. Congress candidate KSH Biren retained the Lamlai seat, defeating BJP candidate KH Ibomcha. Speaker T.S. Lokeshwar retained the Kundrakpam seat, defeating BJP's Thangcham Mohendro. Okam Henry of Congress defeated veteran politician and BJP candidate Y. Irabod by 4,336 votes. Now to sports news. The 6th Kanglei Mega Sports Festival kicked off today at Mapal, Kangtibung. The festival is organized by Kanglei Park Students Association in collaboration with other sports associations with the theme Sports for Sensibility, Joint Student Coordination Committee Football Tournament, Inter-District Under-17 Boys Football Tournament, Kanglei Park Chaibi Yendam Naba, Kanglei Park Thangta, Kanglei Park Kang and Kanglei Park Half Marathon are the major events of the festival, which will continue till March 16th.
올라오는 하루에 나만의 앞에 시장 때문에 나오는 하루에 와서 그러나 저희 군시장 말 받고 보여.
The 27 Governors Cup Invitation Polo Tournament and 16 Governors Cup Women's Polo Tournament will kick off from the 19th of this month. Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association is organizing the tournament at Imphal Polo Ground. Before we wrap up the bulletin, a quick look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Bobi and Deputy Chief Minister Gaikangam retained yesterday's BJP heavyweight state Chauba, Wairabot and Ojoy lost to Congress candidates. 21 Congress candidates, including Deputy Speaker, 4 ministers and sitting MLAs, lost their seats. NPF Losi Dikho gets the maximum number of votes to win the Mao seat.